little guy. For those of you who don't know, carpenter bees in general are actually pretty docile. Because I'm less than 3 inches away from him with the phone, with the camera. And watch, see? Okay, he jumped just a little bit there, but sometimes they'll even let you pet them. See? I don't recommend going outside and finding you a carpenter bee and trying to pet it. But he just woke up. He's not really in a stinging mat kind of mode right now. So, guys, don't swat these bad boys every time you see them. I know they may make holes in your barns and other kind of stuff, but they're a lot more beneficial than they are harmful. And if you do end up, trapping some, don't leave them in the trap. Take them somewhere, let them go. They're just way too beneficial. I mean, all bees, really. This isn't a red wasp. I mean, okay, I'll smack one of them bad boys all day long. I've killed 3 in the house this morning already. But these little guys, they're not so bad at all. Sometimes you'll find them asleep in a flower cluster, on a plant somewhere, or even like a bloom that may close up for the night. One of them may get in it and sleep, and then get back to work the next morning. But we rely heavily on these little guys for I don't remember what the number is. I want to say maybe 90% or 88%, something like that, of the pollination of plants are done by bees. So yeah, definitely don't shrug these guys off as useless. They're in the end, I mean, they're a real gift to us. So, all right, guys, take it easy.